Nope, it's not clickbait. We actually did it. Why? Why not? I want to see how a shortened pencil barrel on a what would Stoner do rifle will affect the accuracy at 100 meters. But first, we need a baseline result.
ATF, open up!
We intentionally cut the barrel a bit sideways and didn't bother deburring it because we were interested to see what will happen. Before shooting, we cleaned the barrel and made sure that there were no chips left inside, but that was it. I have read and heard so many times that the barrel crown is the most important part in the accuracy of the rifle. But that doesn't seem to be the case with this rifle.
I think the grouping is better than with uncut barrel. And the barrel is really hot right now. I didn't even wait for it to cool down.
Look at that fireball. I think we were all surprised by the results, because even with this kind of butchered barrel, we were still getting good groupings. I have sent the barrel to a certified gunsmith to do a proper muzzle crown and finish. Now, a couple of weeks later, we're back at the range again to see if this makes any difference. The weather was shit. It was raining and it was cold, but that did not seem to affect our groupings. This time, we went straight to the precision ammo. The Celerum Below 69 and the 77 grain hollow point both tail match grade ammo. We had great results with this ammo, and this time was no exception. A quick note, the A2 flash hider makes an excellent job of hiding the flames and reducing the muzzle signature. Nice. Now the results are in. Shortening the barrel will improve your accuracy. But now keep in mind that this is a sample of one. Also, I think this is very specific to the rifle that we are using, because a pencil barrel is a very thin, long barrel, and when you shorten it, you change the ratio between the length and thickness of the barrel, which makes it more rigid. Yes, it will reduce muzzle velocity, but that does not affect the accuracy of the rifle.